Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and minimize YouTube on iPhone or background viewing. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, you'll need to go and enable system-wide PIP. So simply head into your settings right over here. Once you've done that, head into your general settings, just like that, and then simply look for picture in picture and make sure that this is turned on right over here. All right, now once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your YouTube application and go ahead and head into the settings of this and then check if you have PIP turned on over here or not. So all you need to do is head into your profile icon, into your settings, into your general, and then make sure that your PIP is turned on right over here. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and play any video that you want to.
Trending in metal crafts. Alibaba.com, world-leading B2B e-commerce market.
I've put together the most.
And then you can simply go ahead and start playing video in the YouTube app and then swipe up from the bottom to go to the home screen. And then the video will shrink to the
Bible lessons that I have helped.
Just like that. But make sure that you have premium, so YouTube premium, when you're doing this. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.